Here we've got a 1992 Kawasaki Zephyr 1100 that has been sitting up for some time. Before I'm going to do a full oil and filter change, I want to give the engine internals a chance to clean themselves out a bit. That's where Motul Engine Clean comes in. Let's walk through it. So why would you use it? Well, old oil breaks down, especially when it's left sitting around in a machine. Deposits and sludge can build up in the oil passages and the top end. This engine flush is meant to break down these gently without tearing into anything. It's important to note that this stuff goes in to the old oil before you drain it. You add it to a warm engine and you let it idle for about 50 minutes. You don't rev it and you don't ride it. Then you drain the oil as usual. Filter change is always a must. So stage one is like any change. As you know, warm oil flows better. So first of all, warm the bike up. Now it's time to add the Motul Engine Clean. Pull things in. And we add the entire container. That's it in. And just close up the oil filter. And there's the oil. Shooting out. See the filter there. Oh, hopefully. That goes on. Then the seal, as far as and this setting is 20 Newton meters on the torque wrench. So now we fit this. When I checked it, there's a magnetic top on this. It was clear, so at least there's no metal shards. Start it by hand, spin it in. There it is, 20 Newton meters. And I'm going to go 27. I think 29 is very high. So there we go. This is the oil that came out of it. I'm just straining it off into a container before I will bring it to the dump. But it's pretty disgusting that came out of it. Okay, as you can see, it's at the upper mark, but I haven't started the engine. Okay, and we top the oil back up, and we'll start again. And just repeat the process to start it up. After an oil change and first ride, always recheck the oil level. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.